This is my RHEL 8.5 server, and in this server I have created three users, John, John 1 and John 2, and while trying to log in with these users, John 1 and John 2 not working, and it is not allowing me to log into the server. So in this video we will try to troubleshoot step by step, and we will try to find out why these users are not working. So friends, before starting this video, let me tell you I am going to start a RHEL full course, and the course fees is only 499. This is a very nominal fees because I am only try to enroll those people who are really interested to learn the Linux. So in this course you are going to get 20 classes, and each class duration is 1 hour and 30 minutes, and also you are going to get all the video recordings and the PDF materials. Link given in the description. Please do register yourself. So now let us start the troubleshoot of this video. So friends, now, as I told you, I have created three users. So it may be reason that I have created the users without a login cell. To check the detail of the users, what I have to do, I have to first check the user status, that is cat, etc, then passwd, then pipe, grep, John. It will show me the user's information from the password file, because password file contains all the user's information. Here you can see John, John 1 and John 2, all users bash shell is configured properly. That means these users are properly created, and these users are allowed to log into the server. So here in password file there is no error, all the users are created properly. And what should be the user? What should be the reason why those users are not working properly? So it may be reason that the user's account may be expired. So to check the user status, we have to use the command change. Using the change command, we can check the user account password related information. So we have to use the command change -l, then John. First we will check with John. You can see password expiry never, and password inactive never. That means user account is fine. Now check with John 1, same result. Use the John 2, same result. That means the password is not expired for these three users. Now what I have to do? Now I have to check if the user's account logged or not. To check that, what I have to do? We have to use the command cat /etc shadow pipe grep John. Here you can see this is the output for John user. It looks like good, and for the John 1 user, you can see here two explanatory symbol, and this is the password. This is the encrypted password, and for the John user, you can see only two encrypted symbol. So what is the meaning of this two exclamatory symbol present here? That means might be John account is logged and the password is configured properly, and for the John 2 user account logged and password is not configured, because encrypted password not showing for the John 2 user. That means this indicates that John 1 user account is logged and John 2 user also logged, but password is not configured. Now I will check the status of the user using the command password passwd -status. User John, you can see it looks like good. PS means password is configured properly. Now check with John 1 user. You can see in case of PS, here you can see LK, that means user is logged, and here it is also written password logged. Go to John 2, you can see same LK and password logged. That means what we have checked here, the user account John 1 is logged and the password is configured, but for the John 2 user, password is not configured and user account is logged. So now what we'll do, try to configure the password for the user using the command passwd John 2, give any password, password configured. Now check the status of the John 2 user. You can see password configured. That means now the user account should be work properly. Now we'll check the shadow file configuration. You can see it is looks like password configured properly. Now check with the John to user to login. Restart the session, use the John to user, give the password. Now I am able to log into the John to user. So here password for the John to user is not configured. Now I will check for the John 1 user. Here you can see password is configured for the user account is logged. So what we have to do? We have to unlock the user. How you can unlock the user? We have to unlock the user using the command passwd -u then John 1. You can see unlocking password for user John. Password success. Now we'll check the status from the shadow file. You can see now it looks like password is properly configured and user account unlocked. Now we'll check the using command passwd status for John. You can see password configured properly and user account not logged. Now use the John 1. It looks like good. Now check with John 2. It's also not logged and password configured properly. Now check with the John 1 user and try to log in. Restart the session. Give the John 1 user here. Give the password. You can see now I am able to log in with the John 1 and John 2 user successfully. So in this video we have learned that how to check the user status from the shadow file, from the password file, and how you can check password expiration status of the user and password, uh, how you can check if the user account is logged. So this is the step we have to follow whenever we are unable to log in with the user. So friends, I believe this video is interesting for you and I believe you are watching till end. So thanks for watching.